Hey, Nissan Rogue owners, have you noticed a weird buzzing or vibration in your gas pedal, especially when you're cruising between 1600 and 2000 revolutions per minute? If your Rogue is from 2014 to 2018, you're not imagining things. This is a known issue. Here's what's going on. Nissan released a technical service bulletin, NTB18-033, for this exact problem. It's not a recall, but it's official, and it's backed by the NHTSA too. The buzz is usually felt around 35 to 45 miles per hour, and it's all because of the brake booster vacuum hose. Let's break down what's really happening under the hood. The brake booster vacuum hose is designed to carry vacuum pressure from the engine to the brake booster, which helps you apply the brakes with less effort. But in some 2014 to 2018 Rogues, the original vacuum hose can be too rigid or poorly insulated, and it's routed in a way that lets engine vibrations travel directly through the hose and into the cabin. When the engine is running at certain RPMs, especially between 1600 and 2000, which often happens when you're cruising at steady speeds like 35 to 45 mph, the engine produces specific vibration frequencies. If the vacuum hose isn't flexible enough or is touching other components, it acts like a tuning fork, transmitting those vibrations straight to the gas pedal. That's why you might feel a buzzing, tingling, or even a light rattling sensation in your foot when you're on the gas. Some owners say it feels like the pedal is humming or buzzing under their foot, and it can be more noticeable on smooth roads or during light acceleration. If your dealership can confirm the vibration, they'll swap out your brake booster vacuum tube and hose for an updated version. This should cut down or even totally eliminate that pedal buzz. And if you're still under the powertrain or emissions warranty, this fix might not cost you a dime. Now let's talk about what Nissan Rogue owners are saying online about this pedal vibration issue. Many owners report that after getting the updated vacuum hose installed, the vibration was either greatly reduced or completely gone. They say the fix made their Rogue feel much smoother and more comfortable to drive. On the flip side, a few owners mentioned that the vibration came back after some time, or that the fix didn't completely solve the problem for them. Some even had to visit the dealership more than once before things improved. So while most people see a big improvement, there are still some mixed experiences out there. It's a good idea to keep an eye on your Rogue and stay in touch with your dealer if the issue returns. Online, I've seen a bunch of owners say their Nissan dealer wasn't sure what was going on until they mentioned this TSB. Most people report that the new hose helped a lot, though a few say the issue returned after a while. So it's usually a positive fix, but not a 100% guarantee forever. If you've been dealing with this, talk to your Nissan dealer, mention TSB NTB18-033, and see if you're covered. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more car tips, and let me know in the comments if you've had this issue with your Rogue. Thanks for watching.